आप डॉक्टर हैं लेकिन होम्योपैथी, और होम्योपैथी की जो विधा थी जो इतने दौर से चलती रही उसमें यही रहा कि आयुर्वेदिक होम्योपैथी जब कुछ नहीं होता था तो लोग कहते थे भाई ये भी कर लो।
9 साल तक मैंने लोगों की सेवा करी टोटली फ्री विदाउट एनी मनी एट ऑल एंड आई गॉट फेम, आई गॉट वेल नोन। मैंने एक आर्टिकल लिखा होम्योपैथी इज नॉट अ क्वैक, और वो आर्टिकल बाय चांस मनोज कुमार जी ने पढ़ा।
और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के जो
जी हाँ, और उनको होम्योपैथी का बहुत शौक था।
अच्छा, मिशनरीज की तरह आपने जीन से काम किया, लेकिन आपको पेंटिंग का ये जैसे कहते हैं ना हॉबीज़ भी हैं, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ कहूँगा जैसे स्कूल्स में होती हैं, वो शौक भी एक आपको रहा, तो हाउ डू यू डेवलप दैट?
यू नो द साइंस ऑफ मेडिसिन इज़ द आर्ट ऑफ हीलिंग, और जो मेडिसिन और आर्ट है वो साथ में जुड़े रहते हैं। और मैं ये मानता हूँ कि एज डॉक्टर्स, बिकॉज वी सी सो मच ऑफ पेन, सफरिंग, डेथ एंड सो क्लोजली दैट एट सम स्टेज ऑफ अ लाइफ वी बिकम इनसेंसिटिव।
सो हाउ डू यू फील कि होम्योपैथी को जिस मुकाम तक आपने ला के छोड़ा है अपने शिखर पर, डू यू थिंक कि कोई लेगेसी तैयार हुई है?
देखिए, लेगेसी जो है वो पर्सनल नहीं होती।
लेगेसी नॉट पर्सनल, आई एम सेइंग लेगेसी इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपेंशन ऑफ होम्योपैथी।
सो दैट ऑटोमेटिकली हैपेंस बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर एट द शिखर, जैसे आपने कहा,
जी,
एंड व्हेन यू आर एन एग्जाम्पल,
जी,
तो फिर 1000 मुकेश तो वैसे पैदा हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज पीपल वांट टू कॉपी यू, दे वांट टू एमुलेट यू, दे वांट टू फॉलो योर आइडियाज।
नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका विश्व शांति दर्शन के मंच पर। आज मेरे पास लोनी कालबोर में, यहाँ यूनिवर्सिटी में, आर्ट डिज़ाइन और टेक्नोलॉजी की जो यूनिवर्सिटी है, जहाँ पर फिल्म स्कूल्स हैं, जहाँ पर डिज़ाइन के स्कूल हैं, मर्चेंट नेवी है, दुनिया भर की चीज़ें आपको पता है, लेकिन एक ऐसे शख्स आज मेरे साथ बैठे हुए हैं, डॉक्टर मुकेश बत्रा। डॉक्टर साहब नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
आपने लिम्का बुक में भी कुछ अचीव किया है, व्हाट इज़ दैट?
Oh, that was many, many years ago. You know, you mentioned Mauritius, and there's a very interesting
yes.
story. I was traveling with person sitting next to me was Shekhar Kapoor, and
okay.
we were traveling together from Mauritius when I just opened my clinic there. And as luck would have it, we were in the he was on his honeymoon.
Shekhar Kapoor, you're talking about the director.
The director
who just received Padma Bhushan.
Bilkul.
In this, okay.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah. So we were staying in the same hotel by chance. Like I said, everything is destined.
Correct.
So I was sitting in the same, and we were sitting on the table next to each other.
जी.
And he saw me again, and then he started chatting. And it then appeared to me that he's the guy who actually at that time, together with Shami Kapoor ji, was kind of very passionate about internet. Okay. In India, we never knew what was internet.
Shami ji was there. Yahoo, I remember, was his.
That's why
that was his. What do you call domain?
I joke and say that that Yahoo.com came from him because of his because of his Yahoo.
That was his domain, I remember.
Yeah. So he and Shekhar Kapoor were two people who were very passionate about internet. Over breakfast, he kind of caught me and said, आप इतने बड़े डॉक्टर हो, आप इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, आप इंटरनेट पे क्यों नहीं हो?
अरे वाह।
मैंने बोला मुझे तो कुछ पता ही नहीं। बोलता है नहीं, आप उसको पढ़ो, जाके करो। So after I came back, and he then actually launched my internet clinic, Shekhar Kapoor.
अरे वाह।
And later on, when e-commerce started, then Sunil Gavaskar ji launched the e-commerce model as well. Okay. So it started as that. So of course we're not allowed to charge; it was totally free. So I treated 4,75,000 patients through the internet at that time every year for 2 years.
Online.
So I have a world record of treating the highest number of patients in the world.
Okay.
Online for 2 years, 4,75,000 every year.
Okay.
So
that record, Limca,
and that is the record
that's how they gave you that.
That has come for 2 years in the Limca Book of World Records.
Okay, Doctor.
Again, that was an accident.
No, it's not. Everything is destined, Doctor, somewhere. So let's come back to Rajbagh here now. Since you came yesterday for the first time, and thanks to you that after my persistence that you must come and visit, and you saw the place. That is one aspect. You also met Dr. Vishnath Karad, the person who has created everything from scratch. Nothing was there. What are your impressions?
Well, first of all, he's a visionary, Dr. Karad, very clearly. And also he's blessed.
He's blessed.
Yes. Without spiritual blessing, कोई ऐसा नहीं कर सकता.
जी.
Everything happened by accident, everything happened by chance, like how I said in my life as well.
Yeah.
And then, अगर नियत अच्छी होती है,
तो नियति help भी करती है.
सब help करते हैं. Everything falls in line. And that's how it has been with his life as well. What he's created is amazing. I'm saying, look at the wonderful edifices of education.
Yes.
And more importantly, as a homeopath, हम believe करते हैं कि जो good health होती है, it is a balance of physical health, emotional health, mental health, and spiritual health.
Yes.
So adding spirituality to education is a very important part which has been missing in our education. वो जो गुरुकुल का ज़माना था वो तो
जी,
उसमें
हाँ,
होता था,
खत्म हो गया, हाँ।
पर अभी जो फॉर्मल एजुकेशन हो गई है, इट्स बीन टोटली मिस्ड, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट डॉक्टर Karat with all his vision is actually bringing it as part of education, because no matter how good you are professionally, but if your direction is not good,
Yes.
if your heart is not good,
Yeah.
if your feelings are not good, you cannot have an impact.
Doesn't work.
You cannot have a lasting impact. You may be successful for some time, so you need to have that deep drive within you,
Yes.
and
That's
the
what we
sadhana
have.
within you,
Sadhana,
which is very important, and that gets evolved and evoked through spiritual healing.
So you're one of those, those I would say, lucky person. I'm not using word celebs or VIPs who could stay in Raj Kapoor's house. Normally, Dr. Karat himself comes and says, and that house has been saved. You've seen. What do you feel about that?
Well, it was eerie, and I was, worried that Raj Kapoor's ghost would come and, haunt me in the night.
Yeah.
But I had a very good sleep.
Yeah, very
It's
good.
absolutely very memorable, and I have this connect with Raj
The Raj
Kapoor's
Kapoor's family.
as well, because
Oh,
I
wow.
treated 5 generations
Oh, yes.
through homeopathy. And more than that, people ask me about my business model,
Ah.
and I tell them कि मेरा business model जो था वो राज कपूर का जो business model था वैसे ही था.
And what was that?
वो ये था कि जब उनकी पिक्चर अच्छी चल गई थी तो फिर दूसरी पिक्चर बनाते थे.
Correct.
अगर कोई पिक्चर पिट गई by chance,
Ah.
then for 5 years there was no new movie.
Oh.
So everything that grew from Raj Kapoor grew from internal accruals, and that is the model which I formed from my company. We are a zero debt company. We don't owe money to anybody. हमने किसी से पैसा नहीं लिया.
Correct.
We have
कोई
no
loan नहीं
partners.
किसी का.
किसी का I know.
That's
कॉल्स आते रहते हैं कि आप हमसे पैसा ले लीजिए,
correct,
पर हम
correct.
वो लेते नहीं हैं. So the whole idea is similar, that you grew through what is called internal accruals.
very nice.
That means if you do well, when we do well, we open 18 clinics in a year or 30 clinics in a year. If there's a year which we don't do well, like COVID बीच में आ गया था तो थोड़ी slow down होगी, तो ठीक है, we open 4-5 clinics in a year. But whatever is, in our pocket, we put back into the business.
That's very.
And this is, I think, any good person who's an artist will do that. सबसे पहले तो जो उसकी जो खुद की जो फना है, जो he's such a firm believer in it, that I always believe this, कि मैं stock market पे पैसा क्यों लगाऊं, मैं अपने ऊपर लगाऊं.
Correct, correct.
क्योंकि I know how to be successful. Why should I depend on somebody else to be
Has to be
successful for me?
successful.
And Raj Kapoor ji had the same thing.
Same,
I'm
same,
saying he put all his money into his own films, and he believed in himself. Today, so you get financiers, you get distributors, but there's a whole setup over there. During his time, he did everything on his own,
Yes.
and he believed in himself. And the whole thing is that the passion and the drive and the belief in yourself, कि मैं जो भी कर रहा हूँ मैं exceptional कर रहा हूँ.
That's very nice. Yes. So, Dr. Saab, एक आखिरी सवाल. You'd come especially to see that function. You've been specially invited by Dr. Karat. What is again your impression about the entire function which happened in front of the dome?
It was outstanding.
Yes.
It was outstanding. It's very memorable. It's something that will stay in
How
my memory.
different was it from the usual Bombay celebs which you have been attending so many?
Well, first of all, there's nothing like outdoors. There's nothing with a spiritual dome at the background. There's never with all the events
The
I've attended,
instrumentalist also is present.
I've never attended a 700 plus choir in that sense.
Yes.
So it was very, very special.
sure.
And the way they were laid up, and the way the lighting was there, and the way the dome was at the back, it was an exceptional program,
So happy.
and very, very memorable. And I'm so glad that I made the effort to come here and to meet you here. Thank you for your invitation.
No, most welcome, Dr. Saab. But with that,
And also, I got so much of quality time with Professor Dr. Karat.
Yes.
There was so much of love and liking,
Yes.
and so much of humility
Yes.
in everything that he does.
Yeah.
And I've experienced it firsthand. So I'm blessed to have spent the time
I'm
over
so
here.
happy that you made it. So, Dr. Saab, I think you are going to make one more trip because lots of functions are still happening here, and you'll have to take out some time since you like the place now. So, I want you to fall in love with the place. That's what I look
I've
at.
fallen in love with you, so for you I will come anywhere, wherever you call me.
So, on that note, मैं भी अपनी बात को समाप्त करूँगा.
I think मैं आपके लिए 2 लाइनें मैं
हाँ, please.
before we
Please,
close.
please, please.
Because this is the wish, I felt yesterday. You asked me about how I felt with the dome,
जी,
and this is the feeling that I got.
जी,
That all of us are trying to have a better world
जी.
and a more peaceful world. Today we are living in an area of conflict,
Yes,
and we want to have peace.
yes.
And the peace dome is one example of this.
Yes, yes.
तो जो किशोर कुमार का जो पुराना गाना है,
हाँ,
और मैं अपने बच्चों को यही गाता हूँ और
तो
सुनाता
आप तो
हूँ,
उसको तरन्नुम में
तो
गाएंगे.
उसमें 2 में
हाँ,
लाइनें
तरन्नुम
उसकी
में.
गा के
हाँ,
आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले.
क्या बात है.
एक ऐसे गगन के तले. So on this happy note,
Yes.
नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू डॉक्टर साहब, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद मी एंड ऑन दैट मैं भी अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूँ, आपसे विदा लेता हूँ। साझा कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और जुड़े रहिए मेरे साथ, देखते रहिए विश्व शांति दर्शन।